Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another two-page layout. It is family portraits I'm doing that we took at a birthday party in the backyard. And these fronds in the foreground of this photo are what inspired this whole page. I thought I'd just do it with a bunch of fronds. So I picked papers. They're from Recollections Bird Watching, and this is one of the papers. This is another one that I'm using, these two. I also picked a matching stripe to go with that. So that's what I'm using for this layout. This is from Botanicals, I know that. I did want to show you this image. So I'm going to click on images. I find it a very pretty image to use. And I'm going to go to image sets because, oh no, I'm not doing that. Let's back up. I don't want that. Cancel. So I'm going to go to images, and I think that image is called Sunny Hills. And here it is. It's a card. And I like the background of this. So I'm going to click on that and add it to Canvas and show you that's how I made this. Okay. I just found this in Design Space and I love it. Okay. So if I get rid of this peach background and the sun or the moon, and I just click on this, I unlocked it. I can spread this out to 12 inches wide and about 3.5 or 4 inches, and it gives me a lovely border for a page. I just love it. So that's what I've used on this. I changed the colors to suit my page. So that image is on the left and the right. I did them vertically because my photos are vertical, both of them that I'm using. So I just thought this was a great image that I've just found. It's so handy it makes very pretty borders. All right, I'll get rid of that. Now I just cut out fronds in different sizes. I did a cluster of 3 of them here and put a title on it and added a border at the top and bottom to balance the page, and a corner frond image here from Botanicals. So now let's make this pretty page. All right, we're going to put together this page now. So I've placed my photos, but the first thing I have to do is I used Kiwi Lane on this page, and I picked 3 different patterns, all coordinating with the background. So I guess that's 4 different prints. And I believe this is Abbey Road. So anyway, I'm doing them up the side because my photos are tall. I told you that before. So I have them also, whoops, dropping things here. All right, I have them for this side as well. There we go. And then I made some pretty frames for these pages. She's in a blue dress, so I'm putting the frame here in blue. And then on this side, I chose this paper. Like, this paper is from the top layer, and this green is the middle layer. So I'm going to put that one here. There we go. Pretty. I'm enjoying doing these outdoor summery pages. I've just done a Christmas album. I scrap my life in chronological order, so I'm always, it's just evolving, and I did a huge Christmas album, so It's a nice change to get off of it. I just finished it. Okay, so because of these fronds, I picked out these images here, right? So I have a big one going here because there's not a lot going on in that corner of the photo. It's all right if it overlaps. And a smaller one going here. And then I made a grouping of 3 of the fronds right here. I love tropical stuff. And I haven't been traveling, so I haven't been able to do many tropical pages. I like borders too, so I cut this one out. I'm going to move this over a bit. There we go. Oh my, this is big. I think this one is going to go here. It's too big for there. All right, now I can do my grouping here. And it's not quite as huge. There we go. And my title I'm putting on top of that grouping. And another border up here. I did, whoops, my sleeve is moving things. I did emboss this for texture. I like embossing things, and I also like to lift things, so I'm going to be putting foam dots on the backs of this and these borders and the title family on these pages. So this was quite easy, simple to cut out, not a lot of inking and stuff like that. A very pretty page. So please, there's a link to my Facebook groups and my website below. So go there. There's design space links and lots of page ideas for you. Oh, this is the embossing folder that I used. Anna Griffin. I guess I hope you can see that. So anyway, please subscribe below, and thank you for watching.